everyone, Aviation Geek18 here, and today we are back for another video where today we will be talking about the Airbus A330 NEO and its two variants, so the Dash 900 and the Dash 800, and we will also see how many passengers will be able to fit on board and many more features. The Airbus A330 NEO is a wide-body jet airliner currently under development by Airbus from the Airbus A330 family. A new version with modern engines comparable to those developed for the Boeing 787 was called for by owners of the current A330. It was launched on 14th of July 2014 at the Farnborough Air Show, promising 14% better fuel economy per seat. It will exclusively use the larger Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines. Its two versions are based on the A330-200 and the Dash 300. The Dash 800 should cover 7,500 nautical miles with 257 passengers, while the Dash 900 should cover 6,550 nautical miles with 287 passengers on board. The Dash 900 made its first flight on the 19th of October 2017 and should be introduced with TAP Air Portugal mid-2018. The A330 NEO will use the Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engine, like I said earlier, which is an electronic controlled bleed air variant of the Trent 1000 used on the Boeing 787-10. It will have a 112-inch, 284cm diameter fan and a 10:1 bypass ratio. They will deliver up to 72,000 pounds of thrust. Both the A330-800 NEO and the A330-900 NEO will retain the fuselage lengths of the A330-200 and the A330-300 respectively. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Airbus A330 NEO. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave thumbs up. Do check out my other videos on the channel, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until then, it's a goodbye from me. Goodbye.